I want to show you that work van here, specifically for electrician, plumbing, handyman, HVAC. I want to show you all those tools here. It's really nice setup, and this car is really new, just 5 years. Okay, we got here nitrogen, recover tank, freon, that's for brazing. Okay, a vacuum gauge right there, some fittings right here. But that part here I want to explain you better, because you cannot handle transportation anything if you don't have EPA 608 universal certification to handle that freon. You have to have your own license certification. I personally have my own certification for handle that stuff here. Okay, but let me show you up at the back here. Okay, really nice set. Okay, I'm gonna explain you a little bit here how you make your job professional, easy and fast. But take a look, all shelves, we got all inventory. Okay, shelves at the back right here, letters. And that guy is here, it's really nice. Like, let's say here, that side you can keep like plumbing stuff. That one here we keep electrician. What I showed you before, that's for air conditioning, HVAC. And also those one here, that's for air conditioning as well. That guy here specifically is leak detector. If you got a leak in your air conditioning, always you have to put a freon, you never find a leak. So that guy here, feel a refrigerant smell, that's a scale. If you want to add a refrigerant in your system, you have to measure how much you're gonna put it in. That's for a vacuum. You need that tool here to measure how much vacuum you're gonna pull it up. So that's multimeter. Okay, that's the temperature sensor. That's capacimeter, measure capacitor. And that guy here, recover machine, that's for recover all refrigerant out of the system. That's really nice vacuum pump. If you want to come up here, has another tools really nice. I want to show you that one here specifically, make the job easy. Okay, but take a look here, everything have to be organized and to keep your truck like really nice, professional. You got like appliance, some storage for appliance, some storage for air conditioning, electrician and plumbing, but like repairs. Okay, for air conditioning you got some tools for installation and repairs. I'm gonna show you another one, make your job really easy and fast. Actually, some jobs I don't need brazing, I can do different way. New technology, like new tools coming up. I'm gonna show you that tool specifically. Let me put everything here away. I want to show you, has a rubber inside like a gasket. Okay, that one here you don't need brace, that's a copper pipe. Do a demonstration here. Put a coupling, put that part here and get that tool here. You just put it in here, hold it, and you just go like that, and then I'll take it out and go to another side the same way. Close that one here and pump it up. Okay, gone. Take it out back, and you see here. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you need any help. See you soon. Bye.